Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Genome World Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. In this video, I will tell you that how we can download the KEGG backend file. When we do the KEGG analysis in Tbtool, so we need a KEGG backend file for the respective organism on which we want to know their KEGG analysis. Like if we are doing to animal, so we need the KEGG backend file for animal. If we work on archaea, so we need the KEGG backend file for archaea, like these bacteria, eukryotes, fungi, plants, prokaryotes, protists, etc. For all these organisms, we need the KEGG backend file for KEGG analysis through Tbtool. Many researchers are facing the problems in downloading the such important file, and they were unable to do the KEGG analysis in Tbtool, which is the easiest method or easiest tool to give us the KEGG analysis, but due to the lack of this important file, they are failed to do the KEGG analysis. So in this video, I will tell you that how and from where we can download this important file. So let's start. In video description, you will find this link for KEGG backend file. So you need to copy this link or directly click on it. I will copy it and then open your browser and paste this link and open it. So I have pasted the link here in the search bar and press enter, so it will give you this window, this icon, and from here click on download, so you will download the file. The size of this file is very big, it's about 10.42 GB. It is very big because it also contains some other important files which are using in different analysis, but we need the backend file, so we also need to download it. So you can click on it, so it will start the downloading. When the downloading is completed, I have already downloaded it, so I am not doing this, but when you click on it, so it will start the downloading, and when the downloading is completed, it will give you this type of icons, or it contains this types of files. So this it contains other types, but you need to open this folder, that is Tbtool KEGG backend file. So when you double click on it and open it, so that folder contains all these backend files. These files are, this is about the animal Tbtool KEGG backend file, archaea, bacteria, eukaryotes, fungi, plants. Plants have just two. One is about 28. This is the date of modification, and one another is 29. So you can use this latest one, and prokaryotes and protists. So these backend files you can use it in KEGG analysis through Tbtool, and you will do your analysis. So in this way you can download the Tbtool KEGG backend file and use it into your analysis through Tbtool, which is the easiest method to do such type of analysis. So this is all about KEGG backend file. If you have any query, please comment. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.